Hello folks, welcome to the Regal Wellness Series and the second video of the new year. Today we're going to be talking about questions for your doctor. Now before we start, just a reminder, for Regal Lakeside program information, go to healthywayevents.com, healthywayevents.com. We have some wonderful health educators that are doing really nice programs out there, and I think you'll really enjoy them. So let's get started with questions for your doctor. When you go to the office, here's some questions you might want to ask. One, what is my diagnosis? What did you come up with? What do you think my problem is? Are my vital signs okay? And by vital signs, I mean blood pressure, your pulse, your height and weight. And they should be checking your height. That's really important that they check your height. They don't always do that, but make sure they do that. This way they can track, because everybody's going to lose a little height as they get older. But if you lose too much height too fast, that's often a sign of osteoporosis. So make sure they check on that. And should I be concerned about my weight? That's a big question, and they should talk to you about that. Our next question: what are my treatment options for the problem I may have? What are the benefits of each option? Are there any side effects to these options? Could I benefit from maybe chiropractic, acupuncture, or osteopathic medicine? All questions you might want to touch base with your doctor about. Will I need some type of test? And what is the test for? What will the results tell me? Do I need any vaccines? Or should I be screened for anything based on my family history? Your doctor should have your family history all in your report. So certain histories will relate to certain type of tests. If your physician is prescribing some type of medicine, how do I take it? Do I take it with food, without food? Do I take it in the morning? Well, just get a little rundown on how you want to take that medicine. What does it do? What are the side effects, if any? And can I and maybe I can take something natural instead of the prescribed medicine. So ask them those questions. Now, other type of things. So say if you needed surgery. Say the doctor suggested, well, I think you need surgery for this issue you have. Well, are there other ways to treat it? You might ask that. What else can I do besides having the surgery? What happens if I don't have the surgery? And the doctor that's going to do the surgery, how often does he do these types of surgery? So you can see how long it's going to take you to see him to have the actual procedure. And definitely, should I get a second opinion? You always want to ask that when it comes to surgery. And some other questions: do I need to change my daily routine? Doctor, you should give them a little rundown of what you do. So see if maybe you should change certain things. The doctor might suggest. And can I improve my health on my own? And that's a really important thing. Maybe you know your body best. So maybe you know best about improving your own health. And maybe I need a specialist for certain things, and look into seeing a specialist for a certain kind of problem, especially maybe something orthopedically. You're having trouble with your knee. Maybe you want to talk to an orthopedic doctor. And who else can I talk to about my problems? A lot of times, doctors don't have a real lot of time. Maybe there's another person you could talk to. And if you're fortunate enough to be with Regal or Lakeside, we have, as I mentioned earlier, we have these wonderful health educators, and they do one-on-one counseling on a daily basis, and you can call on them, and they'll be really very helpful to you. And again, that's just some of the questions we thought you would like to talk to your doctor about. And again, we want to thank you so much for joining us today, and we want you to be healthy and happy in 2021. Thank you so much.